Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn about association rule. First we are going to learn about what is association rule, then we are going to look at how to mine association rule using Python, then we are going to apply confidence difference criteria using Python. Then we are going to learn about how to apply the confidence quotient criteria using Python. Let's look at two association rule. What is association rule? Association rules are used in data mining to discover interesting patterns and association among data sets. They are used in market-based analysis to understand purchasing behavior. It can be used by a shopkeeper to analyze the sales patterns and grow profit in their business. Key matrices and association rules. Support is a proportion of transaction containing a particular item set. To calculate the support, we need to use this formula. Support from A to B equals to transaction containing A and B and divided by total transaction. Confidence, likelihood that item B is purchased when item A is also purchased. To calculate confidence, we are going to use the formula confidence from A to B equals to support A and B divided by support A. Then we are going to look at lift. Lift measures how more likely item B is purchased when item A is also purchased compared to its base probability. To calculate lift from A to B, we need to use this formula. Lift from A to B equals to confidence from A to B divided by support B. What tells us how often a particular data set appears together in a data set. Confidence indicates the likelihood that item B is purchased when item A is purchased. It tells how strong a relationship between the two items. Lift measures how much more likely B is purchased when A is purchased compared to its normal probability. Now we are going to look at how to mine association rules using Python. Steps to mine rules. First, import and pre-process data set. Use the a priori algorithm to find frequent data items and apply the association function to extract rules based metrics like confidence. In this code, now we are going to import pandas. Then from mlextend dot frequent patterns, import a priori and association rule method. This is our data set in which we are going to apply the algorithms. Now we are going to apply the a priori algorithm to find the frequent data set with a minimum support of 0.5. Then we are going to generate the association rule from the frequent item set using confidence. We are having a confidence of minimum 0.9. Now we are going to execute the code. So this is our frequent item set which is having a support more than 0.6. So this is our frequent data item set. A priori function is used to find the frequent data set with a minimum support. Here the minimum support of 0.5, which means item set only with at least 50% is considered to be frequent. Association rule. Association rule function is used to generate the association rule from the frequent item set. Now we are going to look how to apply confidence difference criteria using Python. The confidence difference criteria involve comparing the confidence of two rules to determine the strength of association. Here we are going to apply the confidence difference criteria on two items that is milk to bread and bread to milk. And we are going to compute the difference between the two confidences to access which rule is stronger. So in this code we are going to import pandas as PD and from mlextend dot frequent patterns से import करेंगे a priori and association rule. This is our data set. First, we are going to apply the a priori algorithms to find the frequent data set. Then we are going to generate the association rule. And then we are going to apply the confidence difference criteria and compares the confidence of milk to bread and bread to milk. So, and this is the if else condition in this. Now we are going to execute the code. Output is confidence difference equals to 0, which means that confidence of two rules is exactly same. It means the chance of buying one item when the other is bought is the same in the both direction. Now we are going to look at how to apply confidence quotient criteria using Python. The confidence quotient criteria compares the confidence of association rule with the support of consequent item. It can help us how much more likely the consequent is to be purchased when antecedent. Now we are going to look how to apply the confidence quotient criteria. Now we are going to look how to apply the confidence quotient criteria using Python. The confidence quotient criteria compares the confidence of an association rule with the support of consequent item. It can help access how much more likely the consequent is to be purchased when antecedent is purchased. The formula to compute the confidence quotient is equals to confidence of A to B divided by support of B. Confidence of A to B, the chance that the B is purchased when A is purchased. Support of B, the overall chance that the B is purchased in a transaction. If the confidence quotient is higher, then it means B is much more likely to be purchased when A is purchased compared to its usual probability. In this code, we are going to import pandas. Then from mlextend.frequent patterns, import a priori algorithm and association rule. This is our data set in which we are going to apply the confidence quotient criteria. First, we are going to apply the a priori algorithm to find the frequent item set. Then we are going to generate the association rule with a minimum confidence of 0.5. Then we are going to apply the confidence quotient criteria. So let's execute the code. The confident quotient criteria is 1.111114. That bread is 1.114 times more likely to be brought when milk is brought as compared to its usual probability. In simple terms, we can tell it tells how much stronger the connection between the two items when one is brought after another. This is the video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you.